How to download and install Pop Mart shopping app. Let's get started. First, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Pop Mart. In the search box, type in Pop Mart. After app appears, click on it. Now you're gonna get the option of get or install. You'll need to click on that. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Pop Mart shopping app brings the thrill of designer toy collecting to your phone. It supports global shipping, local pickup, digital blind boxes, and community features. Once completion of its download process, launch it, provide your credentials, log into your account, and start shopping. So this way you can easily download and install Pop Mart shopping app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.